There is a legend that at the beginning of time, God set aside land for each country. The Greeks were last, distraught to be left with scattered rocks in the ocean, as all else had been given away. But God looked upon them and smiled. He said, "Fear not, as this land I was saving for myself, I have welcomed you into my home." Many of us are stuck in possibilities, dreaming of exploration, of what it would be like to break free, but always finding ourselves stuck in routine. It takes bravery to leave the comfort of home and reach for the unknown. But when you finally do, you see that reality can be more magical than dreams.
Our heart beats over 100,000 times a day. It is the only muscle that never rests. A constant gift of life. Each day, we choose what to make of this gift, and our choices make us who we are. The Greek islands are home to some of the longest living people in the world. Is it a miracle or a secret? A new study shows that people who are happy are more likely to lead a long and healthy life. This happiness can often be found in the most simple moments. The freedom of the open road, the gaze of the one you love, the pure air of the sea. It is easy to lose these moments, to spend each day planning for the next as life itself passes us by. But if we slow down and open our eyes, we'll notice the most beautiful joy right in front of us, joy that others are running too fast to see. We can only change ourselves when we stop caring how others see us and live from our heart. Life is like a dance. It's not about the final move, but the journey to get there. Ask yourself what makes you come alive and go do it, because the secret to happiness is a soul that's come alive.